We're going to show you how to transform a tree into a tree that you can be really proud of, even if you've got a tree that's a little skimpy, if you've got a tree that you've had for a little while and the needles are starting to shed a little bit and it's starting to look a little bit thin, or you've got, this is our basic mixed foliage tree, but we want to embellish it just a little bit. So we're going to use this Scotch pine that's lighter green toward the tips, darker toward the middle. And it's just these 3 branches. It's about 16 inches long, something like that. And we're just going to place that on a particular branch of the tree and wrap a piece of that, wrap one of these branches around that outside piece so that this is going to stay in the tree like that. So I'm down to my last few, and basically what we're doing is we're kind of stair-stepping back and forth. Go down 12 inches and go to one side or the other, go 12 down inches, go back to the other side. And I don't want them like perfectly lined up, so I want this one a little bit off center of this one, and hopefully they're not, I don't want to stack 2 on top of each other. I guess you could if you wanted to fill the entire tree, but it would look a little odd if you just kind of sparsely did it and they were very symmetrical. So that's one reason that we're going to do that. And we're just wrapping one piece of pine around it really tightly so that it stays in place. So we're just going to push this stem down into the tree where you don't see it, and we're going to take this piece and we're going to wrap that around the tree because that's wired and that should hold that really well. And there you have it. This is a great way to really embellish a tree that may have seen better days, or just a tree you want to look thicker, fuller. And this is 12 pieces of this Scotch pine spray. So if you're putting your tree in a corner kind of like this, you may only need 12. If you want to go all the way around, you may want to do 24. But a lot of people ask us how we get that very dripping look from our trees. And it's hard sometimes when you have a regular 7.5 foot tree, because when you hang some of your fennials like this, they hang out to the side, and that's really not proper. We really don't like to see that. So when you add these branches in, it allows you to hang some things further out from the tree and give you that really proper hanging look that you want out of a fennial or a larger ornament. You can find all of these products and more at davidchristofers.com.